Look, I took it off. Look, it's still on. Actually, not that hard. Let's put it back. I'll show you. Those little legs have to, you see? They have to sit in that little notch. Let's see if I can get that in there. There you go. Now this puppy, watch the airbag, kid. Oh yeah, and this just pulls out. This puppy can sit just like this inside now. As I pulled it out, it came this way and it seemed to be stuck. So, I'll use my handy dandy pick, and I pushed up, pushing this guy up. You see? Then I used my other finger, came around this way, and squeezed this down, push this down. Right, so this is actually a squeeze, if you see it. It squeezes, pulling it out of that socket. So putting it back, you can probably just go like this, line it up, and push with everything tucked back into place. Let's do that, make sure it's nice and tight. There you go. So just align it. See? Put your finger back up in here, push this guy up. You see he's starting to pull out already? And then come back over here, put your other finger and feel for it. You can do both at the same time, because I can't do that right now. Let's see if I can do it. One by one. Nah. I'll show you again. So, with this and my finger going down at the same time, it snaps right out. Capiche? Capiche. Now, put it back together. Line those two posts back up into the dash. Make sure that's nice and tight. And you're going to line it back up. And there you go. Done. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.